This segment of CoastLife is sponsored by Ocean City Tourism.
CoastLife, step inside of Little Miss Lovely right here in Bishopville, Maryland. That's where we are. It's a floral studio where the arrangements are personal, perfectly imperfect, very unique, which is a perfect reflection of owner Ami Jachimski. Amy, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Doing great. Good. Thank you so much for having me.
Yes.
I see we have all these flowers set up. It smells absolutely beautiful in here, so I'm very excited to put something together. We're doing something for homecoming, correct?
Yes, we are going to make some homecoming bouquets for some homecoming attendees this weekend.
I'm excited. I'm going to be basically kind of following your lead on this. I don't even know where to begin.
I have all of our supplies laid out and cut, so we're just going to arrange them in hand, wrap them, and put them in these vases, and then I'll finish wrapping them with doodads and ribbons.
Cute. Oh, okay, I'm very excited.
Okay.
Tell me, how did this all begin?
I've always had a love for flowers. I grew up around flowers, but I went to school for journalism and couldn't find a job right out. It was a recession. We had a hard time. So I ended up just stumbling into flowers, working at a flower farm, and started at the farmers markets. And then someone would be like, can you make 13 of these arrangements for our wedding in 2 weeks? And can you make 5 bouquets? And I would say yes. And then referral after referral got me so busy that I could not attend the farmers markets anymore, and instead was out doing weddings every Saturday.
Yeah. So how do you think Little Miss Lovely has stayed, you know, what separates you guys from other people who might be in this creative industry?
I don't have a storefront. I work from our studio in Bishopville, and I don't have open hours necessarily. I usually stay open for events, homecomings, proms, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, those kind of things. My focus and my attention to details on weddings is kind of unmatched when it comes to what I provide versus other area businesses that are sometimes slammed doing everything. But I do love challenges, and I am very ambitious.
And what areas do you serve locally?
I'd offer delivery services to Bishopville, Berlin, Ocean City, West Ocean City, like within 15-mile radius, Fenwick, Frankfurt.
That's awesome. I like how you really make it personalized for people. You know, you focus in on one rather than having a whole bunch. It's more like a quality over quantity. And I know you are also expanding your team and looking too. How do you think that's gonna benefit the community and what you guys do here?
I can be 2 places at once. And I kind of run it so that I always check in on each wedding and make sure everything is perfect, because I am the one that's speaking with the brides.
Of course.
So I will be the one to make sure everything's set the way that it was promised and set up. But one team member can get it started. I'll go through, finalize everything. It's really nice to have multiple hands on deck, multiple sets of eyes.
Of course, yeah. The more the merrier. It's always nice to have extra help. So I see I'm sitting here.
It's very hard to talk while designing.
It is, multitasking.
Yes.
But we're left with some flowers now.
Yes. So
what should we do from here?
Your statement flowers are going to kind of be in the center.
Ooh, okay.
We can do these Peruvian lilies, also known as alstroemeria.
Pretty.
They have some foliage on them, so they add some nice filler to it.
Yeah,
yours
so
are lavender. There's a pink rose.
I love this. Pink is my favorite color. And I love all the different color flowers that you offer here too.
Thank you.
I've been looking at like a dusty rose one, it kind of looks like, and then there's like a toffee colored one. So many different varieties.
Yep, and these are all custom for people's, for clients' wedding colors. So one will be fall colored. I have another one that's red. That'd be really pretty.
That is gonna be so pretty. I love the personal touches that you're adding to this. And then I know holiday season is coming up. Does Little Miss Lovely do anything?
I do. I have this reputation at my wholesaler as being the wreath master. And I sell so many wreaths, and I make wreaths, and we have a wreath making machine. Awesome. It's really fun. Fresh evergreens, that kind of thing, swags. And I do a lot of pop-up shops, so like holiday shops. I am at Mary Marketplace in Berlin all winter long, every Saturday, up until Christmas, selling wreaths, fresh evergreens, garlands, all of that.
That's beautiful. I didn't even know they had wreath making machines. That's awesome. Oh my God, and you're already done. She's definitely faster than me, CoastLife. She's flying through this. It is. I love this so much. I'm definitely enjoying myself.
Good.
But one more time, if you want to hit on where viewers can find you.
Yes, online at littlemisslovely.com. You can place your orders there. I have a homecoming shop. I have memorial and funeral flower shop. You can place an inquiry for wedding and event flowers there, as well as smaller events, which we call social celebrations, baby showers, graduation parties, that kind of thing. But anything that you would need a good amount of flowers for, for any kind of event in your life.
Well, CoastLife, I am putting the finishing touches on my bouquet right here. I love it. This looks so pretty.
Thank you. It looks great. Good job.
Yeah, let's show yours off too, CoastLife. Get a good look. This is so beautiful. I love all these colors so much. They complement each other so well. Amy, thank you so much for having me today.
Yes, thank you.
I appreciate it. Of course. So, yep, we are in Bishopville, Maryland for Little Miss Lovely Floral Studio. You have to come and check it out, CoastLife, because Little Miss Lovely is showing that flowers are more than just a decorative piece, but they also define your moment as well. Also here to define your moment is CoastLife, so don't go anywhere because there's more on the way.